Hi, welcome to Learn English Grammar. Myself Priya. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We have learned kinds of nouns in which we have learned abstract noun. In today's video, we are going to learn how to form abstract nouns from adjectives, verbs and common nouns. You will get better idea when you are able to form abstract nouns from adjectives, verbs and common nouns. But before starting the video, let's recall what is meant by abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name given to qualities, feelings, actions or states. We cannot see, hear, smell or touch abstract nouns. Now let's learn how to form abstract nouns from adjectives. See, long, length. Now here long is an adjective. Abstract noun is formed is length. Wide, width. Wide is an adjective, width is an abstract noun. Humble, humility. Wise, wisdom. True, truth. Young, youth. Poor, poverty. Good, goodness. Vacant, vacancy. Ignorant, ignorance. Now you can see that all these are adjectives like long, wide, humble, wise, true, young, poor, good, vacant, ignorant, because all these words give information about nouns, so they are adjectives, and from these words we have formed abstract nouns, that is length, width, all these are abstract nouns. Now let's learn formation of abstract nouns from verbs. Now see, laugh, laughter. Laugh is a verb. It is an action, so it is a verb. Know, knowledge. Please, pleasure. Punish, punishment. Obey, obedience. Choose, choice. Relieve, relief. Advise, advice. See, sight. Act, action. Now you can see that all these are verbs, that means action words. Laugh, know, please, punish, obey, choose, relieve, advise, see, act. And we have formed abstract nouns from these verbs like laughter, knowledge, pleasure, punishment, like this. Now here are some common nouns and we have formed abstract nouns from common nouns. King. King is a common noun. Infant. Infant is a common noun. Thief, patriot, agent, friend, man, owner, pilgrim, all these are common nouns. And we have formed abstract noun from these common nouns are king, kingdom. Kingdom is an abstract noun. Infant, infancy. Thief, theft. Patriot, patriotism. Agent, agency. Friend, friendship. Man, manhood. Owner, ownership. Pilgrim, pilgrimage. All these are abstract nouns. Now here we are learning some abstract nouns which are ending with tion, shun. That is suffix tion, shun. See now. Definition, collection, affection, perfection, motivation, correction, attraction, protection, occupation, remuneration, selection, direction, etc. Now you can see that all these words are ending with suffix tion, shun. All these are abstract nouns. Now here are some abstract nouns which are ending with suffix ment, ment, like punishment, amusement, judgment, advertisement, excitement, management, government, investment, department, enjoyment, settlement, development, measurement, etc. Now here are some abstract nouns which are ending with suffix ship, ship, ship. Now see those words: leadership, sponsorship, ownership, authorship, friendship, hardship, township, relationship, etc. Now some abstract nouns are formed end with SION, shun or jun. See the words: occasion, possession, confusion, tension, supervision, progression, admission, depression, compression, etc. Now let's learn these abstract nouns through some examples so that you will get clear idea. Now here are some examples. See the first example: he knows everything. He has the knowledge of everything. Now see, in these two sentences, we see that in the first sentence, he knows everything. Here, knows is a verb, and in the second sentence, we have formed abstract noun from the verb know, that is knowledge. So the sentence is, he has the knowledge of everything. Now see the second example. You can choose any topic from the list. And next is, choice is yours. Now in the first example, you see that choose is a verb, and from this verb we have formed abstract noun, that is choice. So the sentence is, choice is yours. Now see the next example. House protects us from heat, rain and cold. Now in this example, protects is a verb, and from this verb we have formed abstract noun, that is protection. So the sentence is, house gives us protection from heat, rain and cold. Now see the next example. The teacher punished him for his misbehavior. The teacher gave him punishment. Now in the first sentence, punished is a verb, and we have formed abstract noun from this verb, that is punishment. So the sentence is, the teacher gave him punishment. Now see the next. This post is vacant. There is a vacancy for this post. Now see again. In this example, vacant is an adjective, and from adjective we have formed abstract noun, that is vacancy. So sentence is, there is a vacancy for this post. Now next, Ramu is a brave boy. Ramu shows bravery. In the first example, brave is an adjective, and from this adjective we have formed abstract noun, that is bravery. So the sentence is, Ramu shows bravery. Now I think you have cleared this concept, that how can we form abstract nouns from verb, common nouns and adjectives. I hope you have cleared this concept. If you have doubts or suggestions, comment in comment box, and if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you will get its notification. Thank you.